every facet of the game. I mean, you prepare, like I've asked these other guys, you prepare to win, but you prepare for some. At the end of the game, you look back, oh my gosh, 59-3. Is it what you expect?
Prepare to score every time you get the ball. Finishing drives. That's one of the things. And if you can get that many points, it's great. But the goal of the offense is to make first downs, and then put in the end zone at the end of the game. And I mean, when you get help from the defense and the special teams, that makes it that much easier.
That had to be a little unusual today. Just you're getting ready to go back out there, then you see Cavante return a punt, then you're getting ready to go back out there again, and he returns another one, back to back. Just what's kind of going through your mind? You see him doing both of those.
I'm thinking that's good. Yeah. I mean, as points are going on the board, that's what we want. Special teams, defense did it too. I mean, all those guys flying around and just making sure the offense, we stay focused, understand it's like, hey, we have to go back out there and we have to score as a unit. And, I mean, that gives the whole team a big boost, big lift, and it's what you need.
How important? He joked with Cavante a little bit, like, come on, let us have the ball back. Do you ever kind of think that joke enters your head when you see something like that?
I mean, sometimes. I mean, I give him the old joke that, hey man, you're a little bit faster than I thought, but still, you're not that fast, you know, just to keep him on a little humble, little level playing field.
How important was it for you guys to be able to finish a game and to do it in the manner that you did?
Definitely. I mean, you can't play one half of football. That's not what we're trying to do. We want to play the full 60, play all 4 quarters, and we played both halves today. And that's really important. You don't want to come out slow and then only show up in the second half. And when you can do it for both halves, that's definitely great.
What do you think of CJ when he got in there?
Have fun. Just, I'll talk to you if you need help. Let me know. But I mean, just little tips, and then when he comes off, just try to help him a little bit, coach him up a little bit, and get him ready.
But how do you think he did when he was out there?
I did good. I thought he did very well. He made the right checks, ran the ball a little bit, made some good throws, and I mean, that's what you want to see.